This is a quick update from SoFi Stadium. I'll get right to it. So we've got another sign in the works. You can see some of the wrapping they've got there. We saw this previously over on the east end of the stadium, where they made some perforated markings of where the stadium will be mounted. So you can kind of read here from left to right, kind of a SoFi Stadium. The D at the end, as in the beginning. So let's see what happens this week. I don't know. They're still kind of slow over on the other end as far as getting the sign up. They have been getting the roof sign up, I imagine. Probably all of it by now. But here's what we got. We're here on the end here that faces Pinkai. I can see some kind of a pattern here. And you can see the S. Escalator here. I don't know why this canopy is still uncovered. Landscaping continues. I don't know if they're going to do like decomposed granite there or put some plants in. This is the Kareem Ct entryway. And as far as the Oculus goes, in fact there's some kind of motion graphics going on there. I don't know if they're going to start playing some videos. And we'll start having some movie nights or what, but I see something on here flashing, but can't quite make out what it is they're playing. It's a little bit chaotic. I think it's construction. It's like some cranes. Cool. Now please do us a favor and get the webcams back up. That would be really nice of you guys. So I'm seeing two areas that has this signage for bar neighborhood. And myself, I just hope they have Coke. See those sign structures still developing as far as, see the base there that has some kind of work going in over the cinder blocks and the sheathing. So it's still not quite there as far as the landscaping here on one of these entries. So I will check back here soon to see progress here in this entry. What kind of landscaping goes in, or if they're just going to keep this like a DG kind of look. And there's the testing lines they've got set up in the Ford parking lot. You want to get your free test for the flu, certain flu. Hope everybody's being safe out there.